In this demonstration, we'll take you through the probabilistic rules of the deduplication projects. So, we've already ingested some data into the platform. We've got lots of different employees, around 1,000. Let's head over to our management section, deduplication, and let's create a brand new project. Employee possible duplicates. We can filter by specific entity types, or we can choose multiple different types. If we wanted to maybe check duplicates across employees, people, contacts. In this case, we're just going to filter by employees. We're not going to limit because we want this to run across all different records. Let's go create. Okay, it's asking me to set up some configuration. So let it set up the matching rules. In this case, we're going to, let's just do match on last name. In this case, we're going to take the last name and we're going to use the employee.last name. In this case, instead of doing a deterministic match, we're going to use one of the probabilistic matching functions of CluedIn. In this case, we can set a threshold. Let's not be so aggressive. Let's say there's a 40% match. We can also specify minimum lengths of values. We can also do the normalizers such as person name variations. In this case, we're just going to keep this blank and we're just going to use the inbuilt probabilistic matching. Let's add that rule and generate the results. This will now cycle through every single one of those 1,000 employees and start looking for possible clusters of matches where people have last names that are similar. And of course, you can imagine you can build up these matching rules as simple or complex as you might need. Once we've got our possible duplicates back, we can investigate all the clusters and decide if we're wanting to actually merge these records together or not. So we're very close to our matches being generated, and we're hoping to see some possible clusters that we can go off and merge together. Okay, so we're back and we found 22 different clusters. Let's take the first example. You can see that the last name that's found here, you can see they're very close to each other. Now, this particular case, I am aware that these are completely different people, so I can choose to select all these properties, and then I can just reject this record. To tell the project this is definitely not a match. I can now go through all of these records and do the same type of process, and pretty quickly I've been able to merge my records together with a probabilistic technique.